Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the incoming call problem in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the incoming call, like you are not receiving or the calls are not showing on the display, you can solve it by the method as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. So now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the incoming call issues in your device. Let's watch it.